Drift Enterprise and Marketing Suite pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've ever chatted with a bot on a website and instantly got connected to sales, there's a good chance it was powered by Drift. But what exactly does the Drift Enterprise plan include? And why is it so popular among high-growth companies? Drift Enterprise pricing is custom, typically starting around $500 per month depending on team size and traffic. At this level, Drift becomes more than a chatbot, it's a full AI-driven marketing and sales suite. You get personalized chatbots, targeted messaging, and real-time routing that connects website visitors directly to the right sales reps. The AI learns from your data, so conversations become more relevant and conversions increase over time. Enterprise users also get account-based marketing features identifying high-value prospects the moment they visit your site. You can even integrate Drift with CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot to sync data and trigger automated follow-ups. Most people get this wrong. They think Drift is only for live chat. But at the enterprise level, it's a complete revenue acceleration platform that connects marketing, sales, and customer success. With enterprise-grade analytics, role-based permissions, and dedicated onboarding support, Drift Enterprise helps you turn website traffic into qualified leads and real revenue growth.